Across the warm landscapes of the Mediterranean, where rolling hills meet endless sunlight, and gentle sea breezes move through the countryside, olive trees have thrived for thousands of years. These ancient trees are more than simple crops, they are living symbols of Thracian patience and craftsmanship. The journey of Bertolli's olive oil begins here, deep within these groves, where farmers carefully nurture olive trees that have been producing fruit for generations. Olive cultivation is an art shaped by time and nature. Each season brings a different stage in the life cycle of the olive tree. During the winter months, farmers carefully prune the branches to encourage healthy growth and allow sunlight to reach every part of the tree. Pruning is essential because it controls the structure of the tree, allowing olives to develop evenly during the growing season. Skilled farmers study the branches closely, removing weaker growth while preserving strong limbs that will support the next harvest. As spring arrives, delicate white olive blossoms appear across the groves. These tiny flowers mark the beginning of a new crop. Bees and gentle winds help pollinate the blossoms, and gradually they transform into small green olives. At this stage, the fruit is firm and immature, but it slowly grows throughout the summer as the Mediterranean sun provides the warmth needed for development. The Mediterranean climate plays a crucial role in shaping the flavor of the olives. Long sunny days allow the fruit to accumulate natural oils and nutrients, while cool nights help preserve delicate aromas. The soil also contributes to the character of the olives. In some regions the soil is rocky and mineral-rich, while in others it is deep and fertile. Each grove produces olives with slightly different flavor notes, creating a diverse palette of aromas that will later influence the final olive oil. Throughout the summer, farmers constantly monitor the health of their trees. They check moisture levels in the soil, watch for pests, and ensure that the olives are developing properly. Modern agriculture has introduced advanced irrigation systems that deliver precise amounts of water to the trees, ensuring consistent growth even during dry periods. However, many groves still rely on natural rainfall and traditional farming knowledge passed down through generations. As summer gradually fades into autumn, the olives begin to change color. What started as bright green fruit slowly transforms into shades of purple, deep red, and finally dark black. This color shift signals that the olives are approaching maturity, but determining the perfect moment to harvest requires careful judgment. If olives are harvested too early, the oil may be intensely bitter and yield less volume. If they are harvested too late, the oil may lose some of its vibrant aromas and freshness. Experienced farmers study the olives closely during this period. They taste the fruit, examine the color of the flesh, and measure oil content to determine the exact moment when harvesting should begin. Timing is everything, because once the olives reach peak ripeness, the harvest must happen quickly to preserve quality. When the time arrives, the groves suddenly come alive with activity. Workers move through the rows of trees, preparing for the most important stage of the entire process. Harvesting olives is a delicate task because the fruit must be collected without damaging it. Bruised olives can begin to ferment, which would negatively affect the flavor of the oil. In many modern groves, mechanical harvesters are used to speed up the process. These specialized machines gently grip the trunk of the olive tree and shake it with controlled vibrations. As the tree trembles, ripe olives fall from the branches onto large nets spread across the ground below. The nets catch the fruit while allowing leaves and small debris to be separated later. The mechanical harvesters allow farmers to collect large quantities of olives quickly, which is crucial during the short harvest window. However, in certain groves where the terrain is steep, or the trees are particularly old and fragile, traditional hand harvesting is still preferred. Workers carefully pick olives from the branches and place them into baskets or slow crates. This method is slower but extremely gentle, ensuring the highest quality fruit. As olives are collected, they are immediately placed into ventilated crates. These containers are specially designed to allow airflow, preventing the olives from being crushed under their own weight. Proper storage during this stage is extremely important, because olives begin to deteriorate soon after being picked. Heat and pressure can cause the fruit to ferment, which would reduce the quality of the oil. Once enough olives have been gathered, they are transported from the groves to the processing facility. Trucks loaded with crates travel along rural Mediterranean roads, carrying the freshly harvested fruit toward the factory. The goal is to deliver the olives within just a few hours of harvesting. The shorter the time between harvest and processing, the fresher and more flavorful the resulting olive oil will be. As the trucks arrive at the factory, workers unload the crates and begin the first stage of inspection. Every batch of olives is carefully evaluated to ensure it meets strict quality standards. Leaves, twigs, and damaged fruit are removed, leaving only healthy olives ready for processing. This moment marks the transition from agriculture to modern production. The olives that began their life growing slowly beneath Mediterranean sunshine are now prepared to begin their transformation into extra virgin olive oil. But everything that follows inside the factory depends on the care and dedication that took place in the groves. The farmers who tend these trees understand that great olive oil cannot exist without great olives. Their knowledge, patience, and respect for the land form the foundation of the entire process. Every bottle of Bertolli olive oil ultimately begins with these groves, with the ancient trees, the Mediterranean climate, and the generations of farmers who continue to cultivate them. From the quiet beauty of the olive orchards to the bustling energy of the harvest season, the journey of olive oil begins as a story of nature and tradition. The fruit collected from these groves carries within it the flavors of the Mediterranean landscape. And as the olives leave the fields and head toward the factory, they carry the promise of becoming one of the world's most celebrated culinary ingredients, extra virgin olive oil. Once the olives arrive at the modern olive oil factory, an entirely new stage of the journey begins. While the groves represent centuries of agricultural tradition, the processing facility represents the power of modern technology and scientific precision. Inside these clean, highly controlled environments, every step is designed to extract the purest possible oil, while preserving the natural flavors and nutrients of the olives. The first stage inside the facility focuses on cleaning the fruit. Even though olives are harvested carefully, they often arrive with leaves, small branches, dust, and traces of soil from the groves. Before the oil extraction process can begin, all of these impurities must be removed. The olives are poured onto large conveyor belts that carry them into specialized cleaning machines. Powerful air blowers remove leaves and lightweight debris, while vibrating screens separate out small twigs and stones. After this dry cleaning stage, the olives pass through washing systems where fresh water rinses away remaining dirt. The washing process must be thorough but gentle. Excessive pressure or rough handling could damage the olives, releasing unwanted compounds that might affect the flavor of the oil. The goal is to prepare perfectly clean fruit while maintaining the integrity of the olives. Once cleaned, the olives move to the crushing stage. This is where the transformation truly begins. Large stainless steel crushers grind the olives, including their pits, into a thick, fragrant paste. The crushing process breaks open the cells inside the olive flesh, releasing tiny droplets of oil. In traditional olive mills centuries ago, large stone wheels were used to crush olives slowly. Today's modern crushers achieve the same goal with far greater precision and efficiency. They produce a uniform paste while minimizing heat generation, which helps preserve delicate flavor compounds. After crushing, the olive paste enters next crucial phase known as malaxation. The paste is transferred into large mixing tanks where it is slowly stirred for a period of 20 to 40 minutes. During this time, the tiny droplets of oil released during crushing begin to combine into larger droplets. Temperature control during malaxation is extremely important. To qualify as extra virgin olive oil, the process must remain below approximately 27 degrees Celsius. This cold extraction method protects the oil's natural aromas, antioxidants, and polyphenols, which contribute to both flavor and health benefits. Inside the mixing tanks, the paste moves slowly under carefully monitored conditions. Modern sensors continuously measure temperature and mixing speed, ensuring that the oil extraction process remains optimal. When malaxation is complete, the paste is ready for separation. At this stage, the mixture still contains oil, water, and solid fragments of olive pulp. To isolate the oil, the paste is pumped into powerful industrial centrifuges. These machines spin the mixture at extremely high speeds. Because oil, water, and solids have different densities, centrifugal force separates them into distinct layers. The heavier solids move outward, while water and oil form separate streams that can be collected independently. From this process emerges fresh olive oil, cloudy, vibrant, and intensely aromatic. It carries the concentrated essence of the olives that were harvested only hours earlier. However, the journey toward extra virgin olive oil does not end here. The freshly extracted oil must undergo strict quality testing to ensure it meets international standards. Inside the factory laboratory, trained technicians analyze oil samples using specialized instruments. They measure acidity levels, peroxide values, and other chemical markers that indicate freshness and purity. For olive oil to be classified as extra virgin, its free acidity must remain below 8%. But chemical analysis alone cannot fully determine quality. Olive oil must also pass sensory evaluation conducted by trained tasting panels. Experts smell and taste the oil, searching for characteristics such as fruitiness, bitterness, and peppery notes. They also check for defects that might result from damaged olives or improper processing. Only oils that pass both chemical and sensory evaluation qualify as extra virgin. After approval, the oil may be lightly filtered to remove microscopic particles of olive pulp. Filtration improves clarity and helps extend shelf life by reducing the risk of fermentation. However, the process is carefully controlled to ensure that flavor compounds remain intact. Next, the oil moves into storage tanks. These tanks are made from stainless steel and are designed to protect the oil from environmental factors that could degrade its quality. Light, oxygen, and heat are the primary enemies of olive oil freshness. To prevent oxidation, many tanks are sealed and filled with nitrogen gas above the oil's surface. This protective layer prevents oxygen from coming into contact with the oil, preserving its flavor and nutritional properties. At this stage, master blenders begin their work. Olive oils from different regions often possess unique flavor profiles. Some may be grassy and bold, while others are mild and buttery. By blending oils from various sources, experts create a balanced and consistent flavor profile that defines the brand. Blending requires years of experience and a highly trained palate. Master blenders taste multiple oils, adjusting proportions until the desired balance of fruitiness, bitterness, and aroma is achieved. Once the final blend is approved, the oil is prepared for bottling. Inside the bottling hall, automated machinery performs this task with remarkable speed and precision. Empty bottles first pass through sterilization systems that ensure they are perfectly clean. Many olive oils are packaged in dark glass bottles, which help protect the oil from light exposure. The bottles move along conveyor belts where precise filling machines dispense measured quantities of olive oil into each container. High-speed capping machines then seal the bottles tightly, preventing air from entering. Next comes labeling. Automated labeling systems apply product labels that display brand information, nutritional details, and origin data. Each bottle also receives a batch code, allowing the company to trace it back to the exact production lot. After labeling, bottles move to packaging stations where they are grouped into cartons for shipping. Robotic arms and conveyor systems organize the bottles efficiently, preparing them for transport. From here, the cartons are loaded onto pallets and transported to distribution centers. Trucks carry them to markets around the world, delivering Mediterranean olive oil to kitchens thousands of miles away from the groves where it began. Throughout this entire process, sustainability plays an important role. Olive pits and leftover pulp are often reused as biofuel or agricultural fertilizer. This helps reduce waste and ensures that nearly every part of the olive contributes to the production cycle. By combining traditional olive growing practices with advanced technology, the factory ensures that every bottle of olive oil meets the highest standards of quality. The result is a product that captures the essence of the Mediterranean landscape, rich, aromatic, and naturally flavorful. From the moment olives enter the factory to the moment bottles leave the packaging line, every step is carefully controlled. The goal is simple yet demanding. Preserve the purity of the olives and transform them into extra virgin olive oil that reflects centuries of Mediterranean heritage. And when the final bottle reaches a kitchen table somewhere in the world, it carries within it the entire journey, from sunlit groves and careful harvests to advanced processing and expert blending, all captured in a single stream of golden olive oil.